السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Grade 1, كيف أصبحت؟ الحمد لله. I hope you're all well and ready for this week's sabak. Okay, we're going to continue on page 12 in your part 1 Quran. Remember to start off by reading your morning dua. Okay, so it's in lesson 2. I hope you recapped over the letters that we've been going over. That is wa, fa, ma, and ba. Okay, and then today we're going to go over to the next page, which is page 12, and we're going to take the whole page as our sabak. It's easy because it's the repetition of the same 4 letters. Okay, it's just the forming of those letters where we're starting to join them. Okay, if you look here at the bottom, I'm going to show you exactly how to identify the joining letters. Okay, so before we start, let's begin with our ta'awudh and tasmiyah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Recapping over the letters: wa, fa, ma, and ba. Wa, let's go. What does wa start with? Water, watch. Fa for flower. Ma for mountain, for mouth. Ba for button, for box. Okay, and then from the story that we learned, can you remember, was the fireworks when he looked out of the window and he said, wow. Fa is the boat, the lazy boat, where they looked at the star and they said, it looks so near, but it's so far. Ma was when he took the bubbles and he was blowing it with his mouth. And ba was the boat that the baby fell out of. Can you remember that? Okay, if you look here at the bottom, we have the letter wa. When a word in Arabic starts where the letter wa is in the beginning, it does not join to anything before or after. Okay. The second one that you see is if the letter wa appears in the middle of a word, it will only join before, but it will not join after. And the third one is when the letter wa appears at the end of the word, it will only join before, and obviously it's going to end as such. Remember, the line that you see on top of the letters are known as a fatha. And what sound does a fatha make? It makes a sound. So wow with a fatha becomes wa. Fa with a fatha becomes fa. Mim with a fatha becomes ma. And ba with a fatha becomes ba. Let's look at the letter fa now. The letter fa with a fatha fa. If the letter fa appears in the beginning of the word, it will not join to anything before, but it can join after. If the letter fa appears in the middle of the word, it can join before and after. And the last one, if the fa is at the end of the word, it will only join before. Let's look at the letter ma now. Ma, if it starts off, it can join before. If it's in the middle, it can join before and it can join after. And if it appears at the end of the word, it can join before. The letter ba also can begin, if a word begins with the letter ba, it can join after. If it has the ba in the center of the word, it can join before and it can join after. And here is if the ba appears at the end of the word, it can join before. Alright, I'm going to explain to you these formation of the letters in today's sabak. Alright, so you can understand it a bit better. Let's look at page 12. From the top, the letter ba with a fatha, it's not joining to anything afterwards. It's on its own. Remember, I told you, if we need to create a word in Arabic, we have to cut the letters in half so we can stick it to the next letter. Okay, so here you see the letter ba. It was a full letter ba at one stage, but now because we're going to join it to the meme, we're cutting it in half. Ba with a fatha, ba. Now here, it's the ba with the meme with a fatha and a fatha. Ba, ma. 2 bars starting and ending. Ba, ba. Ba in the beginning, wow at the end, both with fathas. So it's ba, wa. Next line. Wa, it's if it's joining from before, but wa will not join after. Okay, wa cannot join after, it can only join before. Wa, fa, wa, ma. Ma, wa, ba. Ba, wa, wa. Fa can join before and it can join after. Fa. Ma, fa, ba. Ba, fa, wa. Fa, fa, ma. Can you see here? Fa is in the middle. It can join before and after. Can you see here? Wa is in the middle. It can only join before, but it cannot join after. The letter that comes after the letter wa has to be written away from the letter wa. Let's go to the next letter, which is the letter mim. Mim with a fatha, ma. Ma can join before and it can join after. If you look here, it's in the middle and it's joining before and after. Ma, fa, ma, wa. Ba, ma, fa. Ma, ma, ba. Now, we go to the letter ba. Ba can also join before and it can join after. If you look at all of these in the center, it's the letter ba and it's joining before and it's joining after. Ba. Ba, ba, ma. Ma, ba, fa. Fa, ba, wa. Next line, remember wa does not join after, but it can join before. Fa, wa, wa. Ma, fa, ba. Ba, ma, fa. Ma, ba, fa. Wa, fa, ma. Now it has all the letters on its own. Wa, ba, fa, ma, fa, ba, ma. Can you try and read this page yourself? Let me know if you can. Okay, and I want you to practice on your sabak, because one of these days I'm going to call you over a Zoom call and we will have an assessment done. Okay, but I will give you the details and the information about it, inshallah, over the group. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.